Hi, it's Dina Colada here, and I'm going to show you today how to come up with a completely unique name for a blog post using Google and the Google Keyword Planner to make sure you have good SEO juice in your title. Now, the first thing I want to do is look for something similar. I want to create a video on how to make a YouTube intro. So I'm going to type that in, how to make a YouTube intro video, and see what pops up here. How to create an intro video. There's a few here. And another thing I want to do is I want to make sure that this article is really relevant to 2020 because I think a lot of people are going to want to be saving money. I think that's important right now because everything is different in the world. And so we're going to go to Google Keyword Planner. I'm going to have two windows open here. I'll have Google over here. I'm going to have the Keyword Planner over here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in to the Keyword Planner. And you're going to see exactly how I'm going to do this. We're going to type in how to make a YouTube, if I could type, we'll get there eventually. YouTube intro video. All right, so let's see what the keywords look like here. All right, there are a lot of people searching how to make a YouTube intro, which is good because people need to know how to do it. This one has 10,000 to 100,000 searches per month in the United States. So I'm actually going to go here. Let's see. And the first project is actually not even on YouTube, which is pretty wild. But that's probably, and that actually is low competition. So what I'm going to do now is go over to YouTube because I'm actually going to create a video for YouTube and put it on there and teach people how to do it. So we're going to search YouTube for that phrase as well. How to make a YouTube intro. So it looks like there's a good bit of search on here. And look at these views. There's 90,000, 133,000. All right. So how to make a YouTube intro video is already taken on Google. So I'm actually going to try to make this a little bit different. So I'm going to make it how to make a video intro in 2020 for free. Now the way you can see if anybody else has used this exact title, you can put it in quotation marks. How to make a video intro in 2020 for free. So we're going to search here, and it says no results were found on how to make a video intro in 2020 for free. So that is going to be the name of my title. So if I write a blog about that or create a YouTube video, that's what it's going to be because it's completely unique, it's relevant to the time, and it's free, which a lot of people want right now. I'm actually going to post how to make a video intro in 2020 into the Keyword Planner just to see if anyone's searching for that. They're not searching for that specifically with the year, but we're going to go ahead and type in that shorter tail keyword, which is still a long tail keyword, and see how much traffic it gets. How to make an intro video. How to make a video intro. Let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and stick with what I've got. So you see, you can search Google with quotation marks around your proposed title that you want to use for your video or your website blog. And I hope this is helpful. If you like this channel, please subscribe and click the like button and leave any questions or comments you have about this specific video.